Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sikandar Haider and you are watching electrical wiring tutorials. In this tutorial I am talking about the submersible pump control box wiring in this diagram which you shown I shown this video is a single pass submersible pump control box wiring, and this is a complete guide. Okay, so basically we use a single a switch and a overload protector and some wire connectors and capacitor in a submersible pump control box. So first I will guide you that how you can make a submersible pump control box, and after that I will explain each step. Okay, so first we use some things like a switch, overload protector and a capacitor in this control box. So this switch is a DFST switch, which means the double pole single through switch, and when we switch on this switch these both contacts make a closed circuit internally. Okay, and the next step is we use overload protector. This is a thermal overload protector, and this is a resetable overload protector, and we can reset by using the pushing or this switch. And the next thing which we use in this control box is wire connectors, which we use for making a connection or getting a connection or make a connection between two wires. And the next is capacitor, which we use for a single pass submersible pump, and every time we need a capacitor for single pass motors, induction motor. Basically this pump also induction motor. Okay, and the next thing which we need is a earth wire, but we will explain in last. Okay, so first to make this type of submersible pump control box for single pass submersible, we need wire connectors. Okay, so we will get connection from this connector. This is the input data. When this point is for input power source, which we will get from our distribution board or etc. for incoming supply wires, etc, etc. Okay, so the next thing to make a connection between overload protector, so we will get a wire from this connector and connect to the switch. Okay, and from the switch we will get when we connect on this point of switch, we will get from this point, because this is here is an open circuit between these points, and when we switch on this switch it will internally close contacts and make a closed circuits, and this supply wires will start through this switch to the overload protector. So we will connect a wire here, and this wire will goes to overload protector, and from the overload protector it will go on to another wire connectors in which we will connect the common wire of submersible pump. So we connect this overload protector in series with this submersible pump, and when sometime if the over current flow, this overload protector will trip and make an open circuit. This is a thermal overload protector, and when the over current will flow in this circuit, overload protector will protect this submersible winding on etc submersible from burning. Okay, the next thing is to connect a wire to this connector, and this wire will also goes to the switch, but on the other terminal, and from this terminal this wire will goes to the capacitor, and same from this point the wire will goes to the next here to another connector. So this connector will be for the run terminal or the run wire for submersible, and the next wire is capacitor. From capacitor, so this wire comes from capacitor, and it will connect to the another connector. So this is starting, this is running, and this is common. So this is we will connect the common wire of submersible to this point, and the running point of submersible to this point, and the starting point of submersible to this connector. So these wires will connect to the to his own step. So because if you have a starting wire in your submersible, so connect here, and the running wire will be goes here, and the common wire will be goes here. Okay, and last, if you have earth wire, so you need to connect a earth wire to the this connector, and from this connector you will connect the earth point to submersible pump, or if you have a connection, or you have a point of earth point, then connect. Okay, so in last, you need to provide the supply. So you can provide the supply neutral and phase. The neutral and line wire will goes to these connectors. When you say switch on this switch, the supply will start to the capacitor, and from the overload protector to this point, and the submersible will work, start working. Okay, stay tuned with us, and keep watching, and also subscribe our channel, and share this video with your friends and other electrical student which you have in your Facebook groups, etc, etc.